Dang, that's the price. 29. Oh, I got it upstairs. You see that?
Tiny house.
I know. Now there's something we can do in there.
Oh my
I like
Lord.
that.
I love this.
Yeah. Look, babe.
Oh, look at that.
Another bed. Look, babe.
What?
I'm gonna let you do your thing. Go ahead.
Oh my God, this is.
This.
What?
No, I'm just talking.
Look at this, Tim. You know I love this sink and it's under my ooh, fancy.
Mm-hmm. That's what I want to buy.
That oven is real nice.
I want to buy some land and.
This is cute.
What's the bathroom? Oh yeah.
Look, yeah, already the soup coming over.
Mm-hmm. Look, we.
Oh, I didn't see that.
That's what I was trying
Wait,
to
so
show
is
you.
this a dryer?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute.
Dryer and a washer. This straight tiny house.
I know, it looks
I can
just
do
like
this, man.
one I've seen before.
Yeah. Let me sit down in it. Excuse me.
Kid off.
know the kids are running.
Huge area.
Yeah.
Even right here.
Yeah. I can see me in here.
Right here?
Yeah. You remember? This the one we had that time too. Just like it. It's just more. Yeah.
And they have them up here.
It's nice, huh? Take the camera. We at the helm. Yes, we are. I guess I'll be up late.
Uh-huh.
No relax. I'm in relax mode right now.
Yeah. You just letting it like just do its thing.
Yeah. But this how you gotta drive it.
Mm-hmm. Yes,
It's like when the 1 hour I was driving.
in Destin.
Yeah.
Your very
First time on the boat.
They let me get behind the wheel. They had the door right there too.
Oh yeah, sure did.
And then
Oh yeah.
might be a little bigger, but it's the same model.
Yeah, it is. Like it's like identical.
Smarty pants. Yeah. We ain't going there, huh? Let's look in there.
What is that?
Look like fishing boats. I want a party boat, me. Something to have fun on. I'll fish off it, but. Party all the time. Party all the time. That's all I want to do.
I was about to. You heard what I was thinking?
What you said?
Party.
That's how I get wasted, yeah. That's real. Yeah. I don't know what kind of boats they call these. Yeah. But everybody like these type of boats. It's like a baller boat to them, big.
Oh yeah, they have the.
They can fish off it and stuff. Yeah. I think it's a center council. Mm-hmm. Center council. Bro.
Oh, that's what that's called?
Yeah, I think. I ain't worrying about them people.
Oh no, I was just saying.
I know.